Here's a transparent look on how 65-year-old Murray went from zero to making his first $500 online through dropshipping. I'll be showing you his website, his products, the product research, the strategy, everything we did together, bringing you guys behind the scenes.
I've got 13, 14, 15, 16 purchases.
So I'm very, very excited for today's video.
Basically, I'll give you a bit of history.
Meet Murray Sharp. He is 65 years old. Murray was able to beat all the odds and build a successful online e-commerce business at the age of 65. If he can do it, you have no excuses. And by following this video exactly, you should be able to achieve the exact same results that he was able to achieve. Before I jump into giving you guys a whole strategy, let me give you some context on who Murray is. So Murray first reached out to me on the 2nd of September, sharing his story.
My wife said she was interested in starting a dropshipping store to replace some income in the future when I eventually retire.
At that time, he was busy working in Kuala Lumpur.
Living in Kuala Lumpur and working pretty actively during the day for an oil company there.
Unlike all his other co-workers,
I had the option to go to the pub with the rest of the guys and just blow away your money and your time or do something constructive.
at this point, Murray already learned how to set up his first Shopify store, and he was able to do this all by himself simply just by following my free YouTube videos.
I've been following you there on YouTube since really early days before your first trip to Thailand.
That's awesome. Thank you so much for following so long. I really appreciate that.
Nah, that's good because you drop value. You see it right from the beginning. You drop golden nuggets in everything.
But at this moment, Murray wasn't ready to commit to e-commerce just yet.
I'm really not at a stage to fully commit yet because of my day job.
So 113 days later, on the 24th of December, Murray gave me a call asking me for some guidance.
Just some guidance type help. I can do the grunt work on the product research and stuff like that. But just the overview and have you look at it and say, yes, that'll work, that won't work.
Since it was Christmas Eve, the 24th of December, I gave Murray some time to think about it over the holiday period. Fast forward to 13 days later, on the 6th of January, after New Year's, we reconnected.
How's your holidays?
Yeah, look, we're unwinding. I spoke to you on the 24th, then we had a busy Christmas through to New Year.
Now, Murray was finally ready to go all in.
The access to the videos, and we'll kick it off.
I'm very excited, Murray.
I'm really keen to get into it.
And we had our first official coaching call on the 14th of Jan, and Murray updated me on all the things that he was able to do over the last 1 to 2 weeks.
Yeah, I've gone through the course sections 1 to 8, and then I've started on the Facebook ad scaling. I've set up Business Manager and Ads Manager for it, run ads. Then I've started to test populate that Facebook page.
He even got started on product research and following our rating criteria.
Started product research methods on AliExpress with the 2 methods, the keyword and the review of the more to love section. And I went through, I've got a number of products there. Now, the other thing I've done, I can sort these by rating.
I went ahead and even double checked some of the products that Murray sourced and gave them my own rating, giving the exact reasons why I gave it the rating so that Murray can start learning how I look for winning products.
Play the video. Yeah, this would be like a 7 out of 10.
A nano mist hydration sprayer.
Yeah, I think we've actually tested this and we weren't able to get any results right off the bat. I think this is like a 6 out of 10.
This one I thought was good. It's a Dizzy shoe cleaner.
Whoa, let's play the video. Wow. Whoa. Yeah, this is a very good product. This is like an 8.
And this is just a office desk item.
This might be like a 6.25.
This is an infrared laser hair comb.
Got it. So it helps with hair loss, hair growth. This product will probably be like a 6 out of 10.
And after going through some of the products that Murray researched, I also gave Murray a third research strategy on how to find interesting products by looking at the recommended products when you find a hot product on AliExpress.
Every time you find one of these interesting products, definitely look for the recommended products on the left hand side, scroll down, look at the recommended products on the bottom, and that's how you create offsprings and find more winning products off one winning product, because I actually think those 2 recommended products are actually better than this product.
Murray also created an Excel formula formulating our pricing model on how much to price the products that we source for on our website. And our formula makes sure that you always have enough margin to cover the cost of goods and the ad spend and still make at least 20 to 30% profit on top.
Awesome. So I saw you integrated the price formula, which is amazing.
Murray also went ahead and cleaned up his Shopify store following the tips and tricks I had in our program.
I'm working on modifying my current Shopify theme to be simpler and uncluttered. This is the home page at the moment. I've only put in 2 products just as a test, and I've trimmed down my menu, cleaned up a lot, taken out a whole lot of other information I had in there. I've got Leisure Clicks, always free worldwide shipping for orders over $50. And then I've got the contact here, support supported leisure clicks. I've got my logo. With the add to cart, I've put these hearts on there to make it a little bit more attractive to buy.
Then I further followed up and personally gave him some feedback on things I thought he could do better and improve with his online website. A.
Remove the top bar. Just have that gone. Just because now you'll have an extra, say, 1 or 2 centimeters of screen space. It just makes the store look more simple.
B. The current
Beige you have is very, very nice. I want you to try the color that's actually on your logo, that darker beige. Give that color a try for your store theme and see how it looks. If it looks too dark, then revert it back to this current beige. But if it looks better, stick to it and it will make it look more streamlined, having the same colors.
C.
The reason why I've got it a little lighter is down here, I've got it overlaying that background. So I can delete the color of the background if need be down here.
Yeah, so with that footer, see if you're able to make the footer background white and have like a line to divide the website from the footer. Have a simple line and have black text and white background, just like you have at the very bottom with all those logos.
D. C.
If you can remove the mailing list, just because that really has a low opt-in rate, and if you don't have it, it just sort of makes your store more cleaner.
E. See if you can remove the
Free shipping and got any question, those 2 boxes.
Now, the other thing that I've got in here, I've got this
I prefer if you have that layout in the footer.
here.
Yes. So rather than having that paragraph, have your 3 checkpoints of secured and safe, 30-day money back guarantee, and free shipping on orders over $50.
F. I've centralized
The text. Now, I can have it over here, but in most of the sites, you have it over here on the right.
On desktop, I think I like it on the right underneath the add to cart button, the description.
Yeah, okay.
G. For the add to cart,
Use that button, change it to the beige color, see if that works.
Beige
The same
colour.
one, correct.
Okay.
Because I think the
Yeah.
green is a bit out of place.
H. And rather than
Having the hearts, see if you try buy it now or get it now. That converts pretty well.
I. Then you should remove
The free worldwide shipping over all orders, no surprise at checkout. You can also remove
Okay.
that. It just makes it simpler, and now people won't question it.
J.
So what you can have is like a mini wallpaper above all the products, something that represents your store. What I'm thinking is maybe like a nice wallpaper of some American outback cowboys.
What, landscape?
That's what I'm thinking.
K. And you could add the contact
Into the home menu, there's homepage catalog. If you can ask questions, then you can put a contact us button there. People like that.
Next was prepping the website for Facebook and Google
I
advertising.
generated and installed the Facebook pixel and then went into Google Analytics, got an account number and set that up there as well.
Mario was able to get this all set up on his own. So if you need guidance on this, feel free to reference my 4-hour A to Z dropshipping course. Then Mario also set up his shipping costs based on all my years of split testing all the different pricing plus shipping options. This was the exact sweet spot that I found that led to the highest revenue.
The shipping, I've gone set that up $5.95 for USA and Canada domestic, $6.95 for international.
As you can see already on our very first call, Mario was very dedicated to the program and done tons of work on his own, just following through the program. So here were the next steps for Mario because he was just getting started. He still hasn't made his first sale, but that's coming very soon.
And then my next steps, load the products to the Shopify store, load the products to Facebook, launch it, and then advertise and test.
And then I sent Mario off after our very first call.
Yeah, this is very good. So yeah, keep me updated, Murray. Keep up the hard work. You're on the right path.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Andy. Talk to you later. Okay.
Bye.
Bye for now. Ta-da.
9 days later, on the 23rd of Jan, I reconnected with Mario for our second official call, and he's already made his first $500. Insane.
I've got 13, 14, 15, 16 purchases.
Here's a quick update on what Murray has done over the last 9 days.
I went through section 9, the Facebook ad scaling, continued product research. I've got about 80 products. I modified my current Shopify theme as per the discussion last week. Make
I love it. Looks so
simpler.
much better.
I couldn't get rid of that, but that's actually generating a mailing list, which is quite good. I've got about 30 people on it already.
Awesome. Are you able to create a thin light gray box around the email? You know how right now there's no box around it?
Oh, okay. I can put that back. I put that thin line across here.
I like that. And I like your simple descriptions underneath your bottom left-hand logo. Yeah, it's very good.
Free shipping on all orders over 50.
That looks good.
Not only that, Murray went ahead and followed our Facebook ads product testing process, and just by following that, he's already made a ton of sales.
Then I moved on to product testing. So out of the products that I've picked, I've launched 6 campaigns. 2 campaigns have been killed and 4 are currently active.
Here is the product testing strategy. For each product, you want 1 campaign. For each campaign, you want 6 ad sets. For each ad set, you want to be targeting worldwide. You want to have 6 interest targeting for the 6 ad sets, a different interest each relating to that specific product. Broad targeting is fine. Lastly, each ad set will have 1 ad, and that's a whole strategy completely for free. You don't need to buy some course. Follow that and you're gonna get results. So Mario and I first connected on the 2nd of September. Mario was finally able to fully commit on the 6th of Jan, 126 days later. We had our first official coaching call on the 14th of Jan, 8 days later.
Yeah, hello, Andy.
And by the 23rd of Jan, 9 days after our very first coaching call, just from following my advice, going through the program, Mario was able to make his first ever $500 online from scratch with no experience whatsoever. This just shows that what I'm sharing with you guys transparently for free works.
Keep up the great work. You're on track.
Yeah, all right. Thanks, Andy. We'll talk to you again soon.
You're welcome, Ari. Talk soon. Have a good day.
All right. Thanks.
Bye.